Hello guys, good morning. How are you all doing? I hope you all are having a good day and that you had a really good night's sleep and are ready to begin working today. So we are going to start off with morning meeting. So hello guys, good morning. Today is November 20, 2020. And today is our last day before we go to break, guys. So after today, you have a whole week of break thanks to Thanksgiving. So now, if you can please stand up so we can do the pledge. Put your hand across your chest and let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. So now guys, we're going to go over the 7 days of the week.
Music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 7 days of the week from Preschool Learning Fun by The Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I'd like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I'd like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. Please click here to see our original illustration.
Awesome. So now we're going to go over the months of the year.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Okay, boys and girls, so good morning. Here on the sides we have the days of the week, and today is Friday, November 20th, 2020. And if today is Friday, can somebody tell me what was yesterday? Yes, awesome. Yes, yesterday was Thursday. And if today is Friday, what will tomorrow be? Good job. Tomorrow will be Saturday. It is almost the weekend, guys. So, cheers to that. So, the weather for today is sunny, guys. The sun is out and it is nice to be outside and have some fun, whether it's playing with your siblings or with your pets or by yourself if you have nobody to play with. We're going to go over the mood meter today. So I want to know how you are feeling today. So are you in the red? Are you angry or worried? Or are you in the orange or yellow, which is happy and excited? Or are you in the green? You're just calm and relaxed. Or are you in the blue? Are you tired or sad? So tell me, how are you feeling today? Let's start with me. So today, guys, I am feeling happy because it is Friday. It is almost a weekend, but also because we have a whole week of vacation, guys. That makes me very, very happy. We have time to spend with our family for Thanksgiving. So that makes me very happy. So that is how I am feeling today. Now you, tell me how you are feeling today. I hope everybody is feeling in the yellow and green. And if you're feeling in the red or blue section, I hope your day gets better, guys, and that you will later feel in the yellow and green. So to continue, guys, this is our schedule. So don't forget to have breakfast, and well, you will be listening to morning meeting. So breakfast and morning meeting. After that, don't forget personal hygiene. So brush your teeth, brush your hair, go to the restroom if you need to, wash your hands with soap and water. And after you're done with personal hygiene, today is Friday, guys, so we will be working on IEP goals. So make sure you go to your IEP channels to see what IEP goals you will be working on today. After you are done with your IEP goals, have some fun. Play some centers or just have some playtime, some free time. Anything to distract your mind and just relax. Have some fun. Also, don't forget to have story time. I will be putting the link for the AR book in the bottom. Make sure you listen to the reading. Then don't forget to have lunch. And after lunch, you should be getting exercise for about 30 to 45 minutes. So anything, guys, exercising, you can do anything, whether it's playing outside, like I said, with your siblings or your pets, or dancing can also be an exercise, or running around, playing tag. There are many activities we can do to be doing exercise that doesn't feel like we're exercising. It could be like playing. Many things, guys, because playing sounds a lot more fun than doing exercise. And here are some activities that you can do. So you can play hula hoop or hopscotch. You can play tag, ride a bike, or take a walk. If you don't want to do anything, just walk for a couple of minutes, guys. anything just to get you all moving. And today, if you have any questions or need any help, whether it's with your IEP worksheets or anything at all, feel free to reach out to any of us. We are always here to help. Just feel free to reach out to us, whether it's through email or it's through Teams or through text. We are always here to help, guys. So before we go to doing our IEP goals, I want you to think of something that you are thankful this year. So we are celebrating Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving is about giving thanks and being thankful and grateful about many things. So I want you to think about it for a moment. And there's many things to be thankful for, guys, whether it's our family, our friends, our pets, the home we live in, the food we have in our table, anything, guys. So think about it. Think about what you are thankful, and I want you to go tell that person, if it is a person, that you are thankful. So if you're thankful for your mom or your dad or your stepdad or your siblings or your pet or anyone, I want you to go tell them that you are thankful. So how will you say? You'll be mom and dad, or mom and stepdad, or mom and sister or brothers. I am thankful for you. So repeat that. I am thankful for you. So make sure you go tell them, or your grandma. Many people, like, I am very thankful for my grandma. Or you can be thankful for your grandpa, for anybody, guys. Anybody who you are thankful for, please make sure you tell them today. I would really like for you all to do that. And now, guys, I will let you off to do your work. Before you go, I hope you have a very happy Thanksgiving, and that you get to have a good time and spend quality time with your family. I hope you have lots of fun and eat lots and lots of turkey. I will see you all not this Monday, but the following Monday. Enjoy your break, guys. We will see you back here soon. Bye, guys.